Okay, let's bring up our composer and paste in our instructions. We will review these instructions in the end. Okay, let's accept this all. And now all we have to do is run this file. It's about 110 lines of code. Now we can go to this URL that is provided, and we have a ChatGPT clone. Here we go. And we were able to achieve this in under 100 lines of code. I'm sorry, in about 110 lines of code. The HTML is served from the backend. This is a full stack application. It's just that the JavaScript is contained in the HTML, and all of this is served from the backend using HTML response. So let's take a look at the instructions that we've used. We said create a fast API ChatGPT clone in a single file, main.py. You can give it additional instructions to make it look exactly like ChatGPT. Do not create any additional files or folders. Have JS and all necessary Python logic in main.py. Do not refer to or use any directories. Use Daisy UI for styling. Dark mode. Use GPT-4o API. Call with chat completions and not chat completions, as OpenAI library has been updated. GPT-4o is the new model and has to have the O at the end. OpenAI API key from n variables. Use 127, so it won't use 0.0, the local host, and run it from within main.py with reload enable. Of course, you need to have Unicorn installed for this and fast API, but this is it. You can customize it, do whatever you like. The prompt for this will be down below as well. And if you enjoyed this, and if you found it useful, check out my 1000x Code with Cursor Masterclass, which has 17 chapters of building a full stack application from scratch. You can actually preview each chapter for up to 2 minutes, and you can watch the first chapter, the Cursor Deep Dive, for free. And there's full stack applications, how to build a market research app, multimodal RAG system with ChromaDB, Archive Researcher. It's quite a lot here. Check it out. Link will be down below. Thank you.